Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into LinkedIn Messenger for faster outreach workflows. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Type linkedin.com into the address bar and press enter. If you already have an account, click on sign in at the top right corner. Enter your LinkedIn email address in the first field. Type your password in the second field. Click the sign in button to access your account. Once logged in, look for the messaging icon at the top of the page. Click on the messaging icon to open LinkedIn Messenger. To start a new conversation, click on the compose icon, typically represented by a pencil or plus sign. In the to field, type the name of the connection you want to message. Select their profile from the drop-down menu that appears. Now, type your message in the text box at the bottom of the chat window. When you're ready to send your message, press the enter key. To check your ongoing conversations, simply click on any message from the list. If you want to personalize your outreach further, use the option to attach images or documents. To quickly access your messages later, consider bookmarking LinkedIn Messenger in your browser. You can also download the LinkedIn mobile app for messaging on the go. Now you know how to log into LinkedIn Messenger for faster outreach workflows. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.